What's up everybody, how you doing today? We have the Zephyrus G14. Finally, I have the replacement unit and I'm gonna show you a couple of stuff. Let me get 1x here. Now this unit is better than the previous unit, to be honest with you. My previous unit had problem with the speakers. This one is okay. The screen is okay also. No burning, nothing else happening here. But today I'm going to talk about one specific thing, which is the speakers and how good the quality of the speakers compared to 2020 version. And I'm going to give you an example here. Let me bring this up. All right, so here, as you can see, this is the Dolby Access that comes with the laptop, and I just want to show you this music here. Okay, so there's a couple of things that you need to know here. First off, just go to the Windows and go to Setting, and then go to System. Oh, sorry, Sound. Once you go to Sound, you go to Speakers. Once you go to Speakers, you scroll down, and here, as you can see, something called Enhanced Audio. This, make sure it's always on. Let me just zoom in a little bit more. So make sure that this option is always on, because it does affect the sound of the speakers. Now that regardless if you're actually using the Dolby Atmos or not, this is going to disable all Dolby Atmos access. So make sure this is on, and then you can go to the Dolby Atmos software. You can play with the sound that you like. Excuse me, to play with the sound that you like. So let me give you an example here. So this music, now if I turn this off, you're gonna hear this type of sound. This is very unclear sound. So when you click on it, it's getting better, right? Total difference. It's like muted sound versus very open sound. Anyways, so this is one of the first aspect right here. So what I want to do also, I'm going to show you a trick. The trick is you want to make this sound, like for example this sound right now. Let me just give you a better example here. So that's the piano sound. It's very clear. Now let it start right now, just 1 second. You heard that, so that sound is, for my ear, it's so far away, and the bass is very close by. So this laptop actually have more bass than the previous ones. 2020, I'm talking about the 2020 version. The 2020 version had a way open sound. The triple is very in front of your face. The vocals very in front of your face, but there was a little bit of bass in 2020. This one has more bass, like very super sound bass, but when it comes to the other sounds, is like in the background. So what I'm trying to do is to bring the sound that goes in the background up front. For example, what I've showed you right here, like, now you listen to here. What I'm gonna do, here's the Dolby Atmos. Now we put it dynamic, it's just gonna automatically throw AI, understand what type of music that you're playing, and then they're gonna project this into the speakers. Now what you can do, you can just customize the sound if you like, or image. For example, for what I did, I just click on movie and put it on details, which is gonna blow the sound even, make the sound up close to you. For example here, we just go back, play that part. So it's more open. Listen to this. So the sound now is more closer. Now if you want to put it at full volume right now, let's try to put it in full volume. Now it's 50%. I'm afraid if I put it in full volume, it's gonna blow up my speakers, because I don't know, man. I think that those speakers are very susceptible to damage if you put it on full volume. So let's just give it a try. Wow. This sounds amazing, man. All I can say is that let's go and play with it. Put it in dynamic. See the difference. So yeah, as you can see, the sound is quite different than 2020 version. The 2020 version had more outburst sound of the vocals, all the surrounding. So if you go to here, if you go to customize or custom one, you'll see these all these effects here, right here, and make sure that the volume level always on. Now surround virtualizer, you can put it on and off. It depends on the situation. In my case, if I want to hear more bass, I just put it on. It's gonna give you surround sound, but the bass is gonna take over the sound. If you turn it off, you're gonna hear more vocals. You're gonna hear more sound in the background. The bass will be tuned down a little bit. So, I'll give you an example right here. The same test. Where is it? Okay. See the piano? It's very clear right now, the piano, because I'm just tuned down the bass. If I put a surround on, just turn it off. So the bass surround just give you this very nice overall look. But it's gonna take over the bass. You turn it off, you can hear the one in the background. Alright, so if you want to ask me what's the best setting, in my opinion, from someone who came from Zephyrus G14 2020, amazing speakers and tuning, I would say I would not go for dynamic. I would not go for movie and details. I would go for custom one and keep all these levels up, as you can see, all them leveled up. Turn on volume leveler and turn on surround virtualizer, and you're good to go. You will be able to enjoy all movies, all any type of things that you actually like to work on, and maybe music. I think this is the best spot here for tuning the sound for the Zephyrus G14 2020. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. This is just for the speaker test and sound. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be dropping more videos soon. Take care, everybody. See you in another video.